Hello, teachers, tutors, and parents. Here is a good activity you can play. The topic could be farm animals. Or you just read the book Click, Clank, Moo, Cows That Type. So you place the cards like this. So I have 2 cows here, 2 horses here, 2 pigs here, and 2 sheep here. I will review the words cow, cow, horse, pig, sheep, pig, horse, sheep. Then I will ask the students to memorize, see if they can remember where the different animals are. Then I'll flip the cards over. And then the students will take turns picking 2 cards. This is a memory game. So let's say the first student picks this one. They will say the word pig. Okay, can you choose another flashcard? Okay, I choose this one. Oh, it's a horse. So now the students will turn the card over again and place it back where it was. And then the next student. Okay, my turn. I choose cow. Okay, where's the other cow? Do you remember? Yes, I do. I think it's this one. You are right. You won. You matched the cards. Cow, cow is a match. So the student can take the 2 cards and place it near them. So now they have 1. Now P-I-G, pig. P-I-G, pig. So you can also teach the students how to spell the word. P-I-G, pig. Pig. And you can ask the student a question. What color is the pig? It is a pink pig. Yes, it's a pink pig. Very good. Or for more advanced students, you can have them make a sentence like, what do pigs eat? You ask the question, and the student may or may not know, but they can guess. Oh, pigs eat lots of food. They eat everything. Very good. Nice. Okay, it's the next student's turn. Let's say we just read the book Click, Clank, Moo, Cows That Type. So we're playing the memory game, and one of the students chooses 2 cards. Cow and cow. Now, they need to make a sentence from the story. Click, clank, moo, cows that type. Moo. Okay, now the next student chooses 2 cards. Sheep, sheep. So they make another sentence using the sound ba, ba. Click, clank, ba, sheep that type. Pig and pig. Okay. Click, clank, oink. Click, clank, oink. Pigs that type.